This is a high efficiency furnace which is installed inside the attic, and you can see this is the gas valve and the primary stage of burning, heat exchanger, and there is a secondary of heat exchanger, which is this one, if I can point it. And what it does, it absorbs all the heat from combustion of the natural gas. And this is that you see this PVC pipe, white color PVC, is that it's a flue vent. It means the exhaust is very cool and even doesn't get hot or warm. So compared to the standard furnaces, these are very efficient and cost saving. And these days is very common. Instead of dumping hot air to the outside, it absorbs all the energy to the inside. It brings all the energy to the inside the room. And there is a filter compartment to the back. It cleans removes all the dust from your air, and some electronics and control involved for safety and performance.